Welcome back, students. I am Aalok Guptaa, your mathematics mentor and coach. So I am here again with the concept number 4 on percentages. In this concept, I'm going to talk more about questions based upon numbers and percentages and how do we address those problems in a very quick time. So let us begin. So now we are supposed to find this, the difference between 4/5 of 80 and 4 by 5% of 640. How much is it? So I have to find 4/5 of 80 minus 4 by 5%. In percent, I have divided by 100. If I have to convert into fraction of 650, so I have to find this value, right? So this I can 16 5s are this is 64. This 5 130 0 got cancelled. 52, so this becomes 5.2. So 64 5.2 8 8 5 58.8 is the answer. Okay, let's move ahead. What is this value? So this, the questions based upon this 0.08% means 0.08 upon 100 of is multiplied 120 of 100 of 50,000, correct? So there are 2 and 2 4 zeros, I will get cancelled here. Then if I have to do 1 0, I'll put it here, 0.8 into 60 480 48. So 48 is the answer, correct? So you have to quickly know how to calculate these things. In certain exams, they don't allow calculator, so you should be very well versed with mental maths. I will be uploading a video on mental maths for you, especially after some time. So do look at that particular video. Now the third sum goes like, we have to find this value, 17.5% of 3 by 4% of this of 7,200. So we will first convert this into 35 by 2. So this is 35 by 2 into 1 upon 100, right? Because it's a percentage. So I'm just converting that into fraction of 3 1 by 4. So 12 13 by 4. So 13 by 4 again into 1 by 100. Of 33 1 by 3, that is 100 by 3 into 1 by 100 into 7,200. So I'll go from this side, I will cancel this 100, this 3, 2400, this 2 zeros I will cut here, correct? This 4 I will cut here with 6. This 2 I will cut here with 3. So now this becomes 35 into 39 upon 100. So 7 5s are 20. So this I will put it as 3.5 into 3.9. So I have to just do 39 into 35. So 5 4 15 19 27 7 2 9 10 11 5 6 1 3 1. So 13.65 is the answer, correct? Let's go ahead. Numbers A and B are 30% and 50% more than C respectively. Find the ratio of A to B. It's a pretty simple sum. So what do I have? I have A, B and C. If C is 100, A is 30% more than C, that is 130, and B is 150% more than C, that is 150. I have to find this ratio. So 13 is to 15 is the answer. This is a pretty simple sum. but such sums are also necessary to be solved. The numbers x and y are such that 40% of x is equal to 60% of y. The average of x and y is 225. What is the difference between x and y? So I have been given 40% of x is equals to 60% of y, right? Which means if I cut percentage, say percentage, 0 says 0, so 2x is 3y. This is one thing which I have been given. And also I have been given average of these two numbers, x plus y upon 2 is 225, which means x plus y is 450. Correct? And यहाँ पर रेशियो क्या आया, x upon y is 3 upon 2. So what is the sum of the ratio? 5. And actual quantity is 450, so 5 corresponds to 450, right? So I have to find the difference between two numbers. So I have the relation basically. What I will do is I will basically take the ratio x is 3 by 2y. So I can put x as 3 by 2y plus y is 450. So that is 5 by 2y is 450. I cut this. This will become 90. So y became 180. So x will become 360. No, x will become 270. Correct? Now I want to know the difference between these two numbers. X minus y is 270 minus 180. Answer is 90. Okay? So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.